Well, I mean, some of the bad things are that, houses, buildings, roads, and fields get covered in ash. As long as you can get it off as long as you can get the ash off, especially when it's wet, because it gets heavier, then it actually reduces damage, and it can keep you from, paying a nice sum. But as for the lava flow, it's not even fast enough to really hit anybody, so it's not really, we really don't have any deaths, I mean, besides, a park. But, I mean, lava usually, it can hit a couple of houses or two, I mean, because houses can't sprout legs and run away from it. But I'm pretty sure that's one of the major reasons that houses get hit by lava. But other than that, no, there's been no deaths. We've recently lost a park.
Catholic school, as vicious as Roman rule. I got my knuckles bruised by a lady